Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Hello Baby monitor not charging, charging cable, port and battery replacement fix. Fix 1 is charge the monitor for 30 minutes. Connect the monitor to the original charging cable, then plug into a working outlet. Leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. Press the power button to check if it turns on. Second one is check the charging cable. Inspect the charging cable for cuts or damage. Try another compatible USB charging cable if available. Connect the monitor again and see if it starts charging. Third one is restart the monitor. Disconnect the charger. Press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 minutes. Connect the charger again and try turning the monitor on. Fourth one is check for overheating. Unplug the monitor if it feels hot, then let it cool down for 20 to 30 minutes. Charge it again in a cool, well ventilated area. Fifth one is use a different power adapter. Unplug the current wall adapter, then use another USB power adapter that works properly. Plug the monitor in and check the charging indicator. Thanks for watching.